Hello, this is Aisha Ijaz and I have worked on a local news app which I have developed using Flutter, a hybrid mobile app framework. This app has been developed to read and post local news. Features of this app are user can read the news without signing through this app. For posting news, a user must have an account. A user can log in through the existing account. A user can also create a new account or if user doesn't have any account. And also user can search through categories. User can see this profile and number of approved posts on profile tab. After creating a new post, a request sent to the admin of this app for approval. Admin can also create and read the post, but only admin can approve the post and user can see only approved posts. All these features are working using REST API, which I have developed in Django. Let's have a demo. According to feature 1, user can read the post without login, which covers all the parameters like title of news, photo, detail, username, who has added the news, date and time, article status, which I have changed from news and old to approved and unapproved. In feature 2, user can log in and can have access to multiple news, which shows news with title, with photo, date and time. And in third feature, user can click on the read. In feature 2, user can log in and can have access to multiple news, which shows news with title, with photo, date and time. In third feature, user can click on the read more options and can read the details of news on news detail page. And in fourth feature, I have already mentioned that after creating a post, news sent to the admin for approval. Let's create a post. User can also select categories. Like this. I can't upload image now using simulator because that's a bug in Mac M1 and I have commented this in the code. I can also share URL of open issue on GitHub or Apple community. in in fourth feature, I have already mentioned that after creating a post, news sent to admin for approval. These are the categories: sports, weather, wildlife, social, fashion, etc. User can see the details. These are the details. This is the profile. Approved news, number of news. Now see the details. Let's move to admin side to have a quick view using admin credentials. Now enter email. And the password. News admin panel. This is the approved panel. Approved news. These are the pending news, unverified. Now see the details. These are the details. Admin can create. Now approve. News for admin. Now this is the news I have created. Now move towards the user side. User 1. Add password. Now this is the news I have created. Now thank you.